The small car that isn't. The successor. The new kid on the block. Well, that was 6 decades ago. Yet we still talk about the Ford Escort with as much interest and admiration as we did then. The affordable family car that became so much more than the new kid on the block. It was the perfect A to B'er for hard-working men and women, a massive commercial success for Ford, and at times, an unstoppable powerhouse in motorsport. Still, with all its accolades and faithful following, a modest car, a rational car, but it became a car that helped define a generation. Importantly, it was a driver's car. The Escort had practicality, poise, and purpose. The Escort had pedigree. There were many reasons why the small car that wasn't made its way onto millions of driveways around the country. And detailing the history of such a legend deserves to be so much more than listing its technical data and various trim levels. Not everyone cared what was under the bonnet, or that it had great balance, or that it was winning rally championships on the other side of the continent. But they did care about the little car that took them and their children on those first family holidays. They cared about the little car that got them to work, took them on dates, and kept them dry from the dreadful British weather. The special memories are part of the many reasons why a treasured hall of Escorts remain tucked away in our garages 50 years later, where we keep it dry from the dreadful British weather. The Escort that saw out the 60s and drove the 70s remains our faithful old pal. The small car with a big heart. The small car with a place in history.